In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn on indicator name labels in Tradingview so you can easily identify your indicators on the chart. Don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open Tradingview and go to your chart screen. Once you're inside, move your cursor to the right side where the price scale is displayed. Now, right-click on the price scale to open the settings menu. From the menu, find the option called Labels and hover over it. A side menu will appear, and here you'll see an option called Indicators and Financials Name Label. Click on it to enable the feature. Once enabled, you'll instantly see the names of your indicators appear on the chart next to their lines, making everything much easier to understand. If you don't see the labels right away, try zooming in or refreshing the chart. That's it. Now you know how to get indicator name labels on Tradingview. Subscribe for more quick tutorials.